Once again, we welcome to our channel. Our robots always here to solve your problems and increase your knowledge. Air pollution is one of the main problems of the world. We all know about the horrible smog problem. Air pollution consists of particles and chemicals in the air that can harm the health of living things like humans, plants, and animals. Most air pollution is created by people, taking the form of emissions from factories, cars, planes, or aerosol cans. China builds world's largest air purifier. All over the world people have small air purifiers, but China is the first to create such a large machine. The air purifier is 328 feet tall. Scientists are studying a world's largest machine named air purifier, created by China, purifies the air very well. The institute name, called Earth Environment at the Chinese Academy of Sciences. Now let's discuss the facts about this air purifier. At the base of the large machine called air purifier, there is a greenhouse, which is as big as a football field. The base first absorbs polluted air. The rays of the sun heats the polluted air, which removes the pollutants and make the air light. The air then rises above and there are large filters through which the polluted air rises and get purified. The large machine air purifier also works in winters and able to absorb maximum heat due to its advanced technology. Scientists mention that air purifier is working very well and still under trial. As we discussed some high-demand skills in year 2023 in previous video. There are 4 more skills. Cybersecurity, artificial intelligence, cloud computing, web development, cybersecurity. In this century, technology is become very vast, even each person around the globe are connected with computers and internet. Each person sending their personal and business data to companies by using mobile devices, computers which are connected with internet. The security of data is very important as every person share their data with companies. As you know, we listen the story of fraud, data, lost, hacking, virus on the internet. Any criminal activity that involves a computer, network device or a network. The term called cybercrime. Define cybersecurity. Cybersecurity is the practice of defending servers, mobile devices, computers, electronic systems, networks, and data from malicious attacks. Artificial intelligence. Dear friends, as you know, we always too much talk about AI in the world of technology. Artificial intelligence is a most powerful tool. Let's start with basic example. Smartphone has camera application with features AI modes, like AI beautification. Another example we are going to discuss is e-gaming. When you are playing multiplayer games like sports games, action games. The different multiplayers is powered by AI. What is AI? AI equals artificial plus intelligence. Artificial equals a machine or system which is developed by human. Intelligence equals ability to understand, think and learn. Define artificial intelligence. The capacity given by humans to machines to memorize and learn from experience, to think and create, to speak, to judge and make decisions. Cloud computing. Maybe you listened to the term called cloud computing and you used it. But you don't get any clear and proper information about cloud computing. Maybe you think that you never used cloud computing. Then you should know that by using online services, sending email, edit documents, playing games, listening music, store files, and watching movies. So, the technology called cloud computing is a part of it. What is cloud computing? Cloud computing is the delivery of computing services including servers, storage, databases, networking, software, analytics, and intelligence over the Internet to offer faster innovation, flexible resources, and economies of scale. The use of cloud computing is very easy, secure, and economic. Web development. Web development is one of the most practical, domain, and one of the most demandable skills in international market. The world of the Internet is fantastic. It continues to transform the way we connect with people, share information, and live a quality life. Websites play a phenomenal role to expand the businesses. Web development is the building and maintenance of website. It is the work that happens behind the scenes to develop and design a website look great.
Please subscribe, like, support us and share our videos with your friends and explore your skills with us.